Guys, today I need to give you a massive warning because in just 3 days, on June the 15th, we are going to have a massive move with Bitcoin and crypto in general. So if you are holding any crypto, you will want to watch this from the beginning to the end. We're also talking about the Ethereum situation. So if you are thinking about getting into an Ethereum trade, if you are thinking about how low this can realistically go, let's talk about that. Let's talk about this situation overall. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. And just like I said, if you're holding any crypto, you will want to watch this entire video. Let's get straight into it, guys. So Bitcoin, as you can see here, is right now, or it has already broken down from this orange box. You can see that we broke down, tried to get into it a couple of times here, got rejected 4 times, and boom, another leg down. So this is in line with what I've been saying, that we are most likely going to go sideways. We are most likely going to consolidate a little bit to the downside. But my thesis is still the same. I think that we have either already hit the bottom here at $25,000, or that the bottom is going to be in the vicinity of where we are at right now. Now, of course, there's massive macroeconomic, factors that needs to be factored in here as well, which brings me to what I am going to talk about later on in this video. But just understand that from the technicals right now, we are in this vicinity, and we are below the orange box. So this means that this is now going to become massive resistance as well on the way up. So that is the situation for Bitcoin. And I did tell you that this massive wedge here, if we did see a breakdown, I did think that this is going to be support for Bitcoin as well. And that has also been the case. You can see that we did find support, or we are finding support right now on the support level of this wedge here. The Bitcoin dominance is increasing, and this is actually something I like. So I like all of these scam projects. I like all of the fluff to be, rinsed out of the market. I only want good projects to really have legs here. So the Bitcoin dominance going up, that is a good thing in my opinion. And the quality projects, they are going to stick around, and those are going to be, massive performers during the next bull market. But here's the thing. I think that you are going to have plenty of times to position yourselves even in the quality altcoins. So for now, I would wait for the dust to settle on Bitcoin. If it's going to take a month, if it's going to take half a year or 2 years, we will see. But for now, the dust is clearly not close to settling. And that is the situation for Bitcoin here. We need to see a bottom in Bitcoin and then position ourselves into altcoins. That's my opinion, not financial advice. And by the way, guys, before we talk about the Ethereum situation, make sure to join my team here over on Bybit. Let's make some trades. There's an $8 million prize pool. So make sure to sign up to Bybit with my link here and join the competition. Join my team. Let's make some money together. If you don't have an account on Bybit, make sure to use this link down here, which also entitles you to up to $4,530 as a bonus. Now let's talk about Ethereum. It's been a while since we talked about Ethereum, but you can see that we have been breaking down from these levels, and the recent drop made us find support here on this orange line. Now this is a very interesting orange line because this is a level which is of great significance. This is actually the previous all-time high in the previous cycle. So you can see that right here, not only do we have this as kind of one very interesting point when it comes to when Ethereum actually started to go up here. We went from 1,400 up to the all-time high here at $4,000 or $4,400 in a quick amount of time after we broke this level as well. Of course, Ethereum was already in a massive uptrend, but look at this. This is also the same level in which the previous all-time high was. Right here in January of 2018. So we are right now testing the previous all-time high, and we want this to hold, but for now it doesn't seem likely to hold right now for Ethereum. Of course, there's massive amounts of FUD regarding Ethereum. Is it going to crash because Celsius are going to dump a bunch of Ethereum, which they already have? They have billions in Ethereum. Well, right now you can see that the ETH to STETH curve pool is starting to regain a little bit of balance. At least if you don't know what I'm talking about here, make sure to watch yesterday's video. but things are starting to become a little bit more healthy here. Let's see if I am going to trade 1 STETH for 1 Ethereum. You're able to, so it's basically 4% below the 1-to-1 ratio, which is of course much better than being down at 10% from the peg, which is not really a peg, but yeah, you understand what I mean, hopefully. If you don't, make sure to watch yesterday's video. So traditional markets are opening up this evening, which means the futures markets, I should say, which means that if we continue to see a drop here, well, of course, that's going to have an effect on Bitcoin as well. But on Wednesday, in just 3 days, you are going to have the FOMC meeting. So the Fed will raise the rates in this week ahead. But given how the interest or how the inflation came up higher than expectations, maybe they are going to make an even larger rate hike. So we will see about that. But what Powell says is going to be the thing that matters most. So we will keep watching this, guys. On Wednesday, we are going to have massive volatility in the markets depending on what comes out of this. Not only the rate hikes, but also what they say during this meeting. So we're keeping an eye on that. We're being prepared for that. It's 2:30 p.m. on Wednesday. I'm going to give you another warning in a couple of days here, but be prepared for this. If you're overexposed, be ready for massive volatility and act accordingly to that, guys. Make sure to join my team, as I said, on Bybit. If you are not signed up to Bybit, use the link in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one.